Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Chase credit card password, secure method step by step clearly. To reset your Chase credit card password, start by visiting the official Chase website. On the home page, locate the sign in button at the top right corner and click it. Once the sign in page loads, look for the link that says Forgot User ID/password. Click on that link to initiate the password reset process. You will be directed to a new page where you'll need to enter your Chase credit card number or username. After entering the required information, click the next. Chase will prompt you to verify your identity through a security method. Choose your preferred method, such as receiving a code via text message or email. Follow the instructions to receive the verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it into the designated field on the website. Click Next to continue the process. You will now be prompted to create a new password. Ensure that your new password meets Chase's security requirements. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Click the Submit button to finalize your password reset. Once completed, you will receive confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. You can now return to the sign-in page and enter your username and new password to access your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.